What is up, guys? My name is Hassan, and welcome back, everyone. As you guys know, I am constantly buying stocks to grow my stock portfolio. This is my 10th year investing in the stock market, and I want the compounding to continue. So today I'm going to show you guys what I have been buying for the last 2 months. The reason why I do this is so that you guys can hold me accountable as an investor. I'm not a person who only talks about investing. I actually show you guys how I invest. As always, before I begin, I have to give you guys a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I know you personally or your financial situation. I am not responsible for any of your gains or losses in the stock market. My suggestions are only suggestions. That does not mean you go out and buy these stocks. It is just a place for you to start your own due diligence and hold yourself accountable, because sometimes my risk tolerance is different than yours. If you're following my company all the time, if you're buying everything I buy, what happens? What are you going to do when I sell the stock? Are you going to sell it, or are you going to continue to hold on to it? So at the end of the day, it's you have to decide and hold yourself accountable. I'm just here to just show you my perspective, and maybe you might like it or you might consider buying it based on my analysis. So let's down about 3% or 3.9% today. It's mostly because of Trump. And I love when Trump is upset because it gives me an opportunity to buy. So let's go to the news section. We can see that here in big, the first headline right here is saying that the stocks fall due to Trump impeachment concern. Let's click on it. So it's saying that the S&P 500 drops the most in a month. And to be honest, I don't think the Democrats or the Republicans are actually going to impeach Trump, because if they would have done it, they would have done it a long time ago. And I think this is just background noise. And as us smart investors, this actually gives us an opportunity to buy. So when the market goes down by 3%, I think we should be buying, or at least buying some shares in a small amount. So for 1 week, I'm down about 4.7%, and then for the month, I'm up about 3.5%, or $353. All right, so I'm going to show you guys. Let's go to my account, go to history, and then let's go to orders. I'm going to show you guys for August and July. You can see that I bought Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson's, 3M. That way it's actually legit. I'm not just making up my Excel sheet. So the first one, let's go from July 10th. On July 10th, I sold Enbridge for $36.73, and which the green sign actually means that I made profit. It wasn't much, but I still made profit. So that's the company I sold. July 10th, I bought 3M at a price for $166, which is a great deal. Bought 1 share. And then on July 15th, I bought Johnson & Johnson for $134. And then I'm continuing to buying because I'm still trying to grow my account. Pfizer, July 30th, I bought 2 shares at $38.79. And this is a packing company, which I think is better than IP, International Paper. I bought it at $99.50. And then I bought, on August 5th, I bought VET. It's a pipeline company. Guys, you guys should check it out. They pay a monthly dividend. And I bought 3 shares at $15.83. I'm actually averaging down on this. I'm at $16.54. So NWL, I actually sold it for a small profit because the company actually has really high debt, and I don't like to hold company that's have high debt, or that's actually adds to my risk, because we don't know when the recession is coming. Maybe it might 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, but eventually it will come. We don't know when, but I don't want to hold a company that is highly leveraged. And then I bought PBA for $36.26. I bought Cisco $47. Bought another Johnson & Johnson for $139. It went a little bit down, so I bought more. This is TPR. It's a luxury bag. It pays a dividend. Bought it at 21.05. And then I bought more PBA, another one share at $35.29. So another thing I want to show you guys is how much do I deposit on a monthly basis? Because in order to grow your account, you need to add money. That is one of the most important aspects, is that you need to constantly add money. You need to constantly average down, and that way you can buy your stocks for a cheaper price and get a more value. So February 220, March to April, you can see that March, April, May, the stock actually went down a lot. So I added a lot more money and I bought more. June, only $175. July, I only added $300. And my current average I'm adding per month is about $400 and $410. And for the month of August, I added $480. And then if we see that, if we look at it, now my current average is actually, it should be $420. So $480. $480. Let's put a check. And so average month, I'm adding about $420, and I want to continue doing that, because if I do 420 and I times it by 12, it's about almost $5,000 yearly that I'm investing in my Robinhood portfolio. So at this point, you guys seen my buys and sells. You guys seen how much money I'm adding. I want to answer a question. So the question is, should I chase monthly dividend companies? Is the monthly cash flow worth it? To be honest, I like to buy dividend companies that pay on a quarterly basis than a monthly paying stock. I'm not saying monthly paying companies are necessarily better than quarterly. It is just that most dividend paying stocks do so on a quarterly basis. Hence, there are a lot more choices and better quality out there versus monthly. If you have enough 7 to 10 companies, you will end up getting multiple dividend payments each month. And I just want to show you guys that in my Robinhood portfolio, that I have about 27 to 28 companies. And if you look at my dividends, October I already got 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at all these payments I'm getting in September, and then in August. See that? So if you have enough companies, you actually don't have to rely on monthly paying stock. You can just have quarterly paying stocks that are quality companies, but if you have enough of it, you will get paid in monthly basis. As always, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow, and hit the like button. As always, thank you. See you next time.